Alright guys, so I've just ordered this 65 watt HP charger for my laptop, and this adapter and charging point come separate, and this cable I have ordered to attach the adapter to the power socket. So let's open this. Oh, I forgot to take any knife. Okay, let's see. Just hold. Okay, so let's open this up, and yeah, well, this looks okayish. I suppose this is fine. It looks smaller actually than my charger. And this is also this is the cable. Let's connect this. Oh god, please. Yes, okay, this is fitting perfectly. Let's see if it connects or not. Okay, this fits perfectly, and now let's connect it to the main power socket. Okay, it is charging. I hope it is charging fine. Okay, it is charging. So far no issues whatsoever. You can see that the light is blinking. I hope this is working just fine. Yep, so I guess this works. Okay, bye bye.